Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Apache Guacamole on AlmaLinux 9. First, update system packages. Next, add the official Docker repository by running the following command. Then, install the Docker CE and its associated tools. Continue to enable Docker to run at system boot and start it immediately. After that, check the Docker and Docker Compose versions. Next, create a working directory. Then, create the Docker Compose YML file. This file defines three services: PostgreSQL, GuaCD, and Guacamole. Next, start the database container. Run only the PostgreSQL container to initialize the database. Allow PostgreSQL to fully start before initializing. Then, generate the schema. Guacamole provides a script to generate the SQL schema. Next, load the schema into the running PostgreSQL container. After that, check that the tables were created successfully. You should see a list of Guacamole tables. Now, bring up the complete Guacamole stack. Continue to verify that all services are running. You can check the logs to confirm a successful startup. Next, open a browser and go to the following URL. Then, log in using the default credentials. Make sure to change the default password immediately after logging in. Finally, you have deployed Apache Guacamole using Docker Compose. This setup enables you to manage remote desktops and servers directly through a web browser without installing additional software.